Hi, hello, welcome friends. Welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about advanced conditional formatting. So earlier video we have seen about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used for normally highlight the cell. Wherever the duplicates available, wherever the blanks available, wherever the errors available, we can give the color. We can give the condition. But if we want to select the entire cell, suppose I am giving one example. If we want to select the entire cell, we can use the conditional formatting. Normally, if you want to select the duplicate, you have to select the data, go to conditional formatting. You can get the duplicate name. Wherever the duplicate name, every name is duplicate. Okay. So we have the duplicate name. We can do like this. But if you want to select particular row, if you want to highlight the entire row, how to do that? Now we are going to learn about how to select the entire row. Now you want to select, you how to select the entire row. So you have to give the condition. Suppose if I am typing John, if I am typing John mean, if I am typing John, the row will be selected. Suppose if I am typing Ajay, the row will be selected, entire row will be selected. Now how to do that? So we want to learn about how to do that. Now I'm clearing all the rules. Now you want to know the list by the name. Okay, so what we can do, we have to select the data and then create a master list. Why? Because if you want to type the data every time, it is very difficult. No, every time you cannot type John, Arav, Prajit, Mogit. No, it is very difficult. Suppose if you are typing Prajit spelling, you type only this, but the spelling is different. Suppose if you are typing Prajit mean, you have to type like this, but if you are typing Prajit only, you will get error. So what we can do, we can use data validation. We are using 2 3 functions now. How to use the data validation? First one, so what we have to do, name wise list. Clear? So we have to select the data, copy, go to the data validation. Now we have to copy the data here. Okay, first step over. This is a name. We can remove the grid lines or not required, not a problem. Okay, then we can improve the color, number, size, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, clear. Now you know all the names are duplicate. Some names are duplicate also available. You don't want maintain all the duplicate names. What is the shortcut? You have to select the data, go to the data menu, remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. So what is meaning that what is the single number only will display? Please listen carefully. I'm using remove duplicates. So name, select all, yes. So I have 15 duplicate items were removed. 15 unique values only remain. So please see friends, only duplicate identity unique number only available. If you want to check if you have any duplicate, you can use another formula, highlight cells duplicate. There is no duplicate value. Why? Because we have already removed the duplicates. First part is over. Clear? Now, so this is the first option, remove duplicates. Data menu, remove duplicates. First step, first kind of formula. We are using different formula now, function now. First formula, we have removed the duplicates, first function. Now you want to use another function, data validation. How to use it? So we have to set the area. We can give the thick box, we can give the color, whatever you want. Okay, now You want to give the data validation. You want to set up the name list here. How to use it? So go to the data menu, data validation. So settings, list. We are going to do the data validation by the list. So what is the list available? This is the list available. I have selected the entire list. That's all. So now you can have the list. Clear? So whatever you want to type the name. Why John only coming? Something wrong. So what we have to do? Your data menu, data validation, settings, list. What is the list available? You are going to set up the list, John, and then select entire data. Press enter. Okay. Now, if you want to see the name, all 15 people's names are available. First step. First step, remove duplicate. Second step, data validation. Okay. Data validation. This is different function. I am using three type of function. Now I am going to use the conditional formatting. I am using three kind of function now. So now I am going to highlight the color. Suppose if I type the name arrow, I want to give the color, entire color. So what you have to do? You have to select the entire data. You have to remove this. So you have to select entire data. Go to the home menu, conditional formatting, new rules. Last step, use to formula. So what is the formula? You have to select the cell. Now the cell is $B$3. What is meaning that? B column and third row will be blocked by dollar symbol. So you don't want to do for B column and third row. B column will not be changing because we are going to take name wise. So we can remove the row, we can remove the dollar symbol before the row. How to remove the dollar symbol? Press F4 and again F4. The dollar symbol will be placed on before the column only. Now equal to this place. What is meaning that if the name equal to this name, you will get the entire color. Clear? Now you can give the color of yellow. I have given the formatting, everything. Now there is no color. But if you type the name, arrow, you will get highlighted for arrow. So wherever is arrow is available, wherever the data arrow available, you will get the data arrow. Suppose you are changing the data arrow here, you will get immediately highlighted color. Okay, you want to change. Suppose you want to select Pawan. Pawan data will be coming. So I am giving another option. Everything I have taken the previous videos. Freeze pans. So I want to freeze the pans. How to use freeze pans? So you want to see the data. You have to select the entire row. Go to the view menu. Use freeze pans. Now please see now how many rows, how many data are available. You can see like this. So this is the usage of conditional formatting. So I have given the option, 3-4 options are I have used. I have used remove duplicates. I have used data validation. I have used conditional formatting. I have used freeze pans. Now, suppose you don't want to do with the names. You want to do with the product. So you don't want to disturb here. Now you can create another one, product wise. Suppose you can create here name, you can put it here. Okay, you want to give the color product. Please listen friend. I am going to do it for product wise. I am going to revise for products. So what you have to do, you have to select, you can give the color green or this color. Now what you have to do first condition, remove duplicates. Okay, now what is the products are available, you have to select the entire product, copy, and then go here, paste. So this is the data available. Okay, now we want to remove the duplicate because laptop is available multiple time, not required. Go to data menu, go remove duplicate, you can remove duplicates. So only 4 items, but 26 times it is available. Now we have removed the duplicates. First step over. Now you want to make data validation. How to do that? You have to select the data, go to the data menu, data validation, settings, list, go to the data. What is the data available? Here, this is the data, press enter. Now data validation is over. Now you want to give the color for laptop. How to do that? So second step over. Third step, conditional formatting. What we have to do? So we have to select the entire data. We have to select entire data. Go to the data, home menu, conditional formatting, new rules, use a formula, equal to, what is a product, you have to give the dollar symbol for before the column. C column will not be changing, but row will be changing, 22nd row, 23rd row, like this. So you have to select this. Now you have to press F4 two times, 1 2. So dollar symbol posted on before column, equal to here. Now you can give the color for this format. Okay, now you can see the beautiful changes. So you want to see the laptop, wherever the data available, you can see laptop, laptop, laptop. Wherever the data available, entire row is selecting. Clear? Suppose if you want to type mobile, okay, all the mobile data will be coming. Okay, now you want to check, now this is working or not. Okay, John, yes, John is colored in the yellow color, product is colored in the blue. So you can use multiple option also. Okay friends, definitely this is very interesting and useful one. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video friends. Thank you.